Hello everyone, all you lovely people who love Indian curry recipes. Thank you so much for all your love.
I'll see you. Bye.
Pork Bafat. This is a Mangalorean dish, and for this recipe we'll need 500 grams of pork belly, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 tomato optional, 4 green chilies, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic pods slit, and 1-inch ginger juliennes. You don't need any oil or water for this recipe. Just in a deep pot, add all the ingredients one by one. We'll be cooking this in the fat of pork. That's Bafat masala. It's a blend of ingredients, spices. You'll find this recipe on my website. Mix this really well. On medium heat. This recipe is very famous and tastes better the next day. It's more like a pickle and can be eaten with any bread. Make sure with the back of the spoon you smash the tomato. Cook this for roughly about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and salt as per your taste. It's a very quick and easy recipe. Stir this again. You can also get the Bafat masala in any Indian shop in India, cold storage shop. Serve this hot. Thank you so much. Bye. Subscribe. Hit the bell button for notification.